Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 1.
Good boy.
It's important to show your dogs all components of the behavior, as this is a behavior chain.
Good job. Very good. Can you take it?
So here we have the washing and the tumble dryer.
Boy. Nice and clever. Good job. Ready? Can you take it? Yes.
Rewarding for any interaction with the clothes.
Clever. Good job. You take it? Good boy.
Opening the machine and showing the dogs what we do.
Take it.
Also letting them approach the machine and check it out.
Very good. You take it. You do it.
And again reward for any behavior in exploring the machine.
Good boy. Take it. Good job. Very good.
We spend a lot of time in teaching dogs as puppies not to bite clothes or stick their heads into white goods.
Very good. You take it. Take it, Hazel.
So we need to undo a previously learnt behavior and build confidence in interacting with these items.
You get it? You get it?
Each time Diesel touches the clothes with his nose, I am clicking and treating.
Get it? You get it? Yes, good.
This is so we can build this behavior up to him taking the item.
Take it, Hazel. It's all right, good boy. Take it.
This can be on the floor or from our hands to begin with, and then build to the machine to take the item back out.
Good boy. Take it.
Again marking and treating for any attempts at pulling or taking the item in their mouth.
Take it, Hazel. Get it. Good boy. That's so good. Good boy. That was really good.
With regular practice with short training sessions and building duration, you will be able to build your dog's confidence in this behavior.
Good job.
But remember, not all assistance dogs or service dogs are mobility aid dogs.
You did it on your own. Good boy. You do it. Oh, good boy. You did so well.